Hello guys again, welcome. Welcome back nako. Yes. But actually nag-think na ko nga I'm really hoping nga maka-review na gid ko at least once a week sa mga fragrances that I do have. Nagkuan sad ko pagka January kanang nag-purchase ko sa semi-annual sale. Ako unta to siyang i-haul o akong i-review each of the fragrances nga akong i-purchase. But, wala siya for some reason. And ang uban ako na siyang gift. So, pero na ako yung mga uban ready rin nga akong na-purchase. Gamay na lang siya. But I'll try to go ahead and review them later in life. But for this video, akong i-haul ninyo ang akong gi-purchase. But this time, rest assured nga ako siyang i-review in depth or in details later. Maybe 3 days after or maybe after this or na ako i-review usa or once a week at least na ako ma-review. But if wala na gani ko kay right now, dili na kay ko, I'm not grabe kay mo palit og fragrances compared as before because I have grabe na kog mga expenses and all, but maybe I can share to you about my experience or our experience sa akong daughter about kanang travel na mo or something. Not really video vlogging, but maybe I can share to you kung unsa among na experience and maybe hopefully makahelp sad siya. Not much, of course, dili travel every day or every month, but at least kung na ko'y ma-share, what have you. But for now, fragrances. Really, pwede na ko siya ma-review. So I'll share these, I should say, akong gi-haul, and later in life, ako siyang i-review. So right now, marag kuan ra siya. Kanang mga first impression ra siya. Okay? So first, I do have, because dili siya pwede nga mawad-an ko og Disney Princess. It's a Disney Princess collection, right? So it's just so but right nga mo palit ko sa Disney Princess collection. For the Disney Princess, I believe they focus more sa mga floral nga fragrances. But these two, that Ariel and Belle, based on the fragrance notes, I purchased them kay kanang I know nga ganahan ko ani nga mga fragrance notes, and I'm pretty much sure nga nakaingon ko nga I would really like the fragrance. So I did purchase these two. So I only have these two. Yes. Just the body mists. Kay wala man sila lotion. Naa silang body cream, but sa Philippines, I don't advise to purchase the body cream. I highly recommend to purchase the body lotion. Gamay ra siya og lifespan. Makuan dayon siya. Murag madaot dayon siya for some reason. Now, akong mga body creams, ginangay ko sa mga body creams because of the packaging. They have way better packaging compared to body lotion. Mag na simple man ang body lotion. But right now, for body creams that I purchased back in the day, ako na siyang use to tapos akong computer table, or mga ingana siya para mahumot lang siya. So, I highly recommend nga, even though masuya siguro mo sa body cream mga packaging, I highly recommend to purchase the body lotion. At least sa atong temperature. So let's start, of course, sa Disney Princess nga Ariel. It says curious. Wow. Explore and independent. For the packaging, by the way, it has a background of sea creatures, which is, of course, explainable. Di na siya malalis, right? So it says sea salt breeze, golden citrus, coral waters. When I spritz this, that's when I remember na ko nga I do have a fragrance nga Dance in the Rain. There is a similarity, if not that much. There is a little similarity between between the Dance in the Rain and the Ariel. Could you not? Yes. I don't have the fragrance note, so maybe in review na ko ani, I will compare this to you in details about aning nilang duha, and even kaning midnight swim. Actually, I'm an aquatic. I do love aquatic fragrances, but not kind of mga beachy scent. Kaya murag mas mukuan siya sa akong ilong. Murag mo ana-ana siya. But I have some beachy fragrances that I like, and of course kaning duha sad. So I'll try to review this side by side once mag-review na ko aning Ariel. But right now, if you're an aquatic, if you like aquatic fragrances, do yourself a favor. This is a very good fragrance. At least because I like aquatic fragrances. Yes, it has this beachy scent, but it's not gonna murag magsakit imong ilong. It's mixed with ang dry down ani niya, because I did try this. And dry down ani niya, it's very beautiful. I think that's where ang citrus niya mo comes in, and yeah, it's actually nice. So let's go proceed to Belle. The Belle says ang kaniyang background kay naa siya rose. So ang Belle says compassionate, intelligent, genuine. It says rose petals, sparkling buttercup, and whipped vanilla. Siguro maka-ask mo niya, ano nga nag-purchase ka sa rose nga? Ani niya nga, di man ka ganang rose? Yes, I don't like rose. For the only reason kay maglabad jud akong ulo niya, I had rose nga mga fragrances, rose waters kay more on kanang light scent niya nga rose. Still dili siya mo work sa kuha because it's too floral for me. Masakit akong ulo niya. So that's why nga dili mo work sa kuha ang rose. But for this one, nangusog lang gikog buy niya because of the sparkling buttercup and whipped vanilla. I like kanang mga ano na siya nga fragrance. Nakalimot na ko sa term. I like bakery scents. I like vanilla scents. I like sweet scents, fruit scents, aquatic scents. So I was really hoping nga dili siya ingana ka strong ang rose nga mix well siya sa vanilla and the buttercup. And yes, I love this fragrance. At least for the first impression, yes. And also, I may go ahead and share to you my story. Nga kani siya, when I spritz this, wala ko'y, at least sa ako mga na-remember nga rose fragrances na ko, I no longer have any because ako na siyang gipanghatag. Kaya again, di man siya magamit sa kuha. So, ako na siyang gipanghatag. But I remember nga wala gid ko'y rose nga fragrance nga pareha ani niya og scent. Instead, when I spritz this, I remember the scent from back in college nga naa ko'y rosary nga rose. I will tell you that story later when I review this kanang Belle nga fragrance. But yes, do yourself a favor if you're like me nga ang preference kay mga kanang vanilla sweet bakery scents. Still this works for you, right? It's a good blind buy. That I don't know what collection kani siya, and I think this is still 2025 collection. So I have the strawberry flirt and pistachio glaze. Let's start with the strawberry flirt. It says, by the way, the bottle kay nice siya, curve, and it has a very beautiful color. Laisyo kay siya nga color. Red combined with gold. I think laisyo kay siya nga color. Feminine. Laisyo. So the fragrance kay strawberry jam, vibrant poppy, cotton candy, musk. When I spritz this, that's when I remember nga naaday ko boardwalk taffy. And again, you tend to purchase new fragrances from time to time. So you will use that, and then you will purchase new fragrance, and then you will use that until nara siya sa imong stash, nara siya sa imong stash. And then, unless nga parehaan ni nga naka-remember ko sa scent, that's when you remember nga you have this. So I have to use this. I will be using this. But I've been using this. Look at that. But I have this for quite some time now. But anyways, so I believe for this one, at least to my nose, nga naas more distant cousin siya. Maybe third cousin from the cotton candy. It has that similarity sa cotton candy. But I love strawberry fragrance, so that's why that of course I purchased this one. But wala ko stash sa ko nga strawberry fragrances nga the same ani niya. So to me, the strawberry here is unique, which is good because it's unique. But there's just a similarity sa kind of cotton candy from the Boardwalk Taffy. But I will go ahead and compare this again. At least this is my first impression though. So I'll compare this again. I'll wear this and then I wear this again, and then I'll compare this with Boardwalk Taffy if it's really, to me, still the same impression. That's Strawberry Flirt. Now let's go sa Pistachio Glaze. It has the fragrance. This is my favorite color. It's a very nice color, the green one. It has pistachio creme, toasted vanilla, sugared patchouli. Now, I like nutty scents. I have several almond fragrances because I love almond. I love almond oil, body oil. I love anything almond, anything nutty in a scent. But so I had high hopes, said Anemia. At least to me, ha. At least sa ko ang perception. So it has toasted vanilla and sugared patchouli. I do have kanang, I believe it has patchouli. Katong Berry Vanilla Noir. I think it has patchouli mixed with vanilla. I love that scent. It's a nighttime scent, like kanang sexy scent. So I had high hopes aniya. And excuse me, I'm sorry. Excuse me, wala, I don't think na ako yung fragrance even before nga kato akong gipanghatag o karon nga nasa ko stash nga pistachio scent. I don't think, and I think this is my first time smelling anything like pistachio. So if you know unsa jud ang scent of pistachio, let me know because I don't. I had to drink water. Kaya nagkuhan akong throat. Siguro na siya istorya. But again, I don't know kung unsa ang smell sa pistachio, but this actually bothers me. I don't like this. And I'm not sure kung iwala ang pistachio creme, if it's kung beautiful ba ni siya nga fragrance, but to me, I think the mixture dili siya mo work sa ako, at least sa ako ang body chemistry or sa akong nose. Yes, but I'll try because of course, aside from the color, it has vanilla, sugared patchouli. It's floral, but it's more of like a sweet floral from vanilla mixed with vanilla, but I'm not really sure. But I'll try to give this several chances until such time nga mag-review ko. But by the way, to me, the fragrance is unique. At least sa ko ang mga fragrances nga I had or I have. So to me, it's unique. This is my first time. And of course, I also purchased the Vanilla Bean Noel. Wala na ko Vanilla Bean Noel nga lotion na ako, as well as the hot cocoa and cream. And I do like Vanilla Bean Noel. I have shared this, nga this is one of the favorite Bath and Body Works fragrance. Although dili ni siya ganahan sa kuha, because every time I apply this, 10-15 minutes gone. I only use the lotion because I don't use lotion sa akong body. It's only body oil. I only use this for my hand and my feet. Kaya di ko mo purchase body cream. It's very gamay and to me it's very expensive. And I have several lotions, but I get bored easily, so that's why. And again, I already emptied my other bottle of Vanilla Bean Noel, so that's why I purchased this. I still have the body mist though, so Yes, that's why we use body lotion a lot. Kaya of course, masipag panghuna, masipag muan, you feel dry. And during nighttime, sa feet, sa hands. So that's why lotion is kuan sa kuag hapon. Yes, so that's that. And of course, I have the from the archives Victoria's Secret. I'm so happy to let you know about the vanilla lace. I only have lotion now, so I will review once the body mist kay moabot na siya. Simply because ang lotion may noon nag-abot. Then pag-abot sa body mist, so I purchased one. So I once mo arrive ang body mists, I will review the vanilla lace, the archive collection, and compare that sa katong old nga vanilla lace. When this discontinued naman ni siya, and at one point gikuan ni siya gipa chuva na sa Victoria's Secret. So I was able to get my hands on that katong usa, and I wala gid ako siya gi-use because I know to me it's only for my collection. And I nag-offer na ako nga paliton to siya, but dili jud ko because of course I own usa na lang nakabuk akong nabilin. So I did not use it. But instead I had a review about the vanilla lace that it's similar to Body Fantasies. So I'm using the Body Fantasies. Ay mukabala ka guys. Nagamay na lang na siya because I have a new one. I so love the Body Fantasies. That's why I so love the vanilla lace. That's why dili ko pwede mahutdan og Body Fantasies and have the vanilla lace as my collection. But for this lotion, of course, I will use this. But for the new body mists nga vanilla lace, I'm pretty much sure dili na sad ko mo use. But I'll go ahead and review them again. Maybe to compare the archive collection and the old one, the oldest but goodies. So let's see. But to give you just the lotion itself, I'm not sure if for the sub body mist, but let's try to wait. But for this one, it's very light. I've used this the whole day today. It's very light. So, but wala ko nag-own of vanilla lace nga lotion before. Just now that I purchased the lotion and I purchased the body mist. But I want the lotion because again, lotion is very helpful for me. So that thing is that it's very light. I'm not really sure because before ang katong vanilla lace, it's a strong fragrance. So hopefully strong gihapon ng body mist. But for the lotion, I'm not sure if you can also relate. But by the way, vanilla lace is creamy vanilla and warm musk. This is my favorite vanilla scent. I purchased bare vanilla. I only spritzed this 3 times, so 2 times. Dili gid mo works ako. Why? Because of the cashmere. I think kung wala pagid siguro ang cashmere, I would love the bare vanilla because it's a creamy vanilla. The bare vanilla, it's creamy vanilla, but the woody sense of the cashmere, dili gid siya mo works ako. It's headache inducing, and yeah, I'm really sorry. I know nga daghan kay ganag vanilla, bare vanilla, and lain-lain man ta siya. But this is the vanilla that hands down sa kuha. And that's why if you can imagine the Body Fantasies. I have this small bottle para lang ako siyang ikuan para mag-travel me. Dili gid ko whatever fragrances nga akong kanang dadon during travel, dili gid ko wadanan. Nagid siya. Okay, at one point ako gid siyang spray. For some reason di jud ko niya makuan. So that's why I have the vanilla lace. Right, it's my favorite vanilla, and Victoria's Secret was trying to replace it with bare vanilla, but to me, I don't think they can replace the vanilla lace. So might as well just bring back vanilla lace. Yes. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll go ahead and review kaniya one-on-one later on. And thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.